Hey everybody, Mountain Grandma here. Today I'm in the kitchen making an old-fashioned recipe for Blackberry Rock Homestead's collaboration. It's hashtag old-fashioned recipe, and that's with Blackberry Rock Homestead. What I will be making is Dilly Bread. My mother-in-law used to make this and I loved it. I got the recipe and that's what I'll be doing today, so hope you enjoy it. To get started, to this bowl I have added in the flour, the sugar, the salt, dillweed, minced onion, yeast, and I think that's everything. I will list the ingredients along the side. I'm going to mix this up and then I'll see you here in just a minute. To this, I went ahead and added the mixture of cottage cheese and water that I heated up. And to this, I'm going to add in more flour. So for me, I doubled the recipe. I've got 3 cups pre-measured that I'm going to go ahead and add in here, a little at a time. And you don't have to use it all. Once it gets to be what you think is a good consistency, it's good enough. And I'll show you what that looks like here in a minute. I've added the rest of my flour, and I'm going to go ahead and just knead this until I've got a nice soft dough, and then I will turn this out, or I'll cover it for 15 minutes, maybe 20, and it'll rise a little bit, and then I will go ahead and get it in the oven. As you can see, the dough has risen nicely. One thing to note, it is a very, it's a sticky dough, and that's just the way that it is. So be prepared for that, and don't think you need to keep adding flour, because if you do, it's just going to make the bread really tough. So now I'm going to put these into a greased and floured pan, or pans, because I'm actually doing a double batch of this. So I will be back in a minute when I've got that going.
Here it is, and remember, if you forget the eggs, it works out great, because that's what I did. So here it is. Hope you all enjoy it, and remember everybody, keep your joy. See you on the next one.